What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking video, guys. Before we get started on the video, I just want to give a quick disclaimer and a quick shout out to everybody that's fucking subscribed to this channel. Truly appreciate each and every one of you guys that subscribed to the channel since day one. So here is another episode of Kush and Swoosh. Full disclaimer before we get started on this: anybody under the age of 18, please, this channel may not be suitable for you guys. I do smoke and cuss. For those of you guys wondering, this is for entertainment purposes only. I do live in Vancouver, BC, where it's perfectly fucking legal for me to smoke weed. So for those of you guys that are in LA, Seattle, Oregon, Denver, where the fuck you guys are, that is perfectly legal, yo, spark one up with me, man. Spark it up with me. And yeah, man, let's get into another fucking Kush and Swoosh episode, I guess, because this is a pair of fucking swoosh, kind of. You know, so here's, guys. For those of you guys that are interested, I do have a link down below for Rejuvenator, sneaker cleaners, anything, sneaker repellents, you know what I mean? Yeah, hit them up. I do have a link down below. So 2020 is a new year, a new decade. I've been hearing a lot of fucking wave lately. I've been hearing a lot of talks regarding the mids. I'm not gonna lie, I do like a few pairs that I've noticed, and there are a few pairs that is to me. This is one of the pairs that I was intrigued about. Shout out to my buddy Henry for this assist once again to give you guys some content for the new year. This is one of the very first mids that I've gotten a chance to look at, other than the pairs that I've seen at the stores, which are basically your sitters. You know, none of the Fearless packs are in stores right now, so I wasn't able to see them on hand. But I do have a few pairs of mids in my collection. The Chicagos from 2003. Yes, this is my pair from back in the day. Actually, technically, this isn't my pair. This is my brother's pair. Yes, Dell, I still have your pair here. I do own the black and gold one as well from the 2003. I don't have the UNC colorway. This is probably one of the few mids that I was actually on the fence of picking up. What do I think about mids? Really not fucking with them. You know, they're cool and everything. The Melanie Asani pair right here, this is pretty nice. The colorway's a little out there, but the execution is pretty good. Pretty fucking good. Not gonna lie. The clots are pretty nice too, but not for me, man. Wouldn't pay $500 for that, whatever the fuck people are asking for. And then we have one of my favorite ones out of the Fearless pack would be the fucking blue, the great Jordan 1 mids. These are actually pretty clean. The whole corduroy, the whole suede, the materials used on this pair is really fucking nice. Props. But would I pay for them? No, not really, man. I mean, look, for resale, fuck no. Now, let's get into the sneakers, because then this is not bad. The Air Jordan 1 Sneaker and Stuff collaboration. It does come with the red laces right here. And, well, what can I say about these, man? What the fuck can I say about these? The colorway is really fucking sick. The color blocking is nice. I like, okay, so I don't know if you guys could see that on cam, but I hope you guys can see how good that quality is on there. Especially on this panel right here. This panel right here, the sail panel, my goodness. My freaking goodness. It is amazing. I'm just feeling the leather quality, yes. I'm not really sure what the fuck the great part is. It's that hard nubuck and hard suede to it. Not really sure. I'm not really fucking sure what the fuck this material is. I'm not really sure how much these are going for, but I know this retail for like $140 or $140, guys. Yes, quality is insane on these. Quality is great. I like the color blocking. Overall, man, would I pay $140 for these? Fuck yeah. If I had $140 laying around and these were on shelf, fuck yeah. I wouldn't Why the fuck would I not? Look at the colorway. It's red, gray, and white. The color blocking is amazing on these. I mean, there's little details that they changed, like the laces and shit like that. Different than the normal Jordan was. Nice touch. Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Are the Jordan 1 mids the new wave for 2020? Let me know down in the comment below if you guys have a few pairs. Am I sleeping on them that much? Yeah, there's some pairs that came out that I've seen in stores, like the bread toe looking ones. You know, like the royal looking ones. I've seen all of them, man. I just have my beaters, and I definitely don't need some fucking mids in my collection. But these, and maybe the blue, the greats. There's another pair actually. It's like white and gray ones with the little Jumpman on there. That one's pretty sick. Right, but would I ever pay resell on any of the mids? Most likely not, because I would rather just get a pair of fucking highs and yeah, and do them up. This color blocking though is really fucking interesting. Don't be surprised if I start doing this shit on a pair of fucking highs. Clean. Good job, Sneaker and Stuff. With that being said, man, thank you for tuning in once again for another episode of Christian Swoosh. Till next time, guys. Peace.